Hello, Mr. Wang.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Great. Why don't you tell us a bit about the MES that Koerber provides?
Okay. So we are part of the BU software in Koerber. So we provide what we call the manufacturing execution system. So this is the core part for the level 3 system inside a pharma companies.
So what exactly do I get as a client when I get your system?
Okay. So the core part of the software is called electronic batch record. So it provides a kind of a mechanism for the operators to be able to input values on the shop floor, provide guidance based on the SOP, allow the operators to acquire values from the machines and automations, also be able to put attachment and things like this.
So can you show us a bit what the client would be looking at if they work with your software?
Sure, no problem. So what you see here is the operator human-machine interface here. So what I'm going to do is I will show you first the flowchart view. So this is what we call the master batch record. This is the business process behind the execution engine. Okay, our consultant would design the process together with the customer. Once you finish the design, you will create orders for each manufacturing batch, and the operators will see this interface. And this is a very user-friendly interface, which you can see here is color-oriented. It's choice-based. It's very simple. And what they're going to do is to make the choice, and they just click OK, and the system would be able to record the values in a GMP-compliant way. It provides data integrity. It provides all the, I would say, all the agency-required, data format and produce the report.
Gotcha. So what happens if I, as a client, for example, run into any kind of software problems? Is there somebody available to help me out? Or?
No problem. You guys are in good hands. So KoerberSoftware has 3 global support centers around the world. One is in the US, one in Germany, and one in Bangkok. And we provide this what we call the around the sun concept, is the customer receive 24/7 non-stop support. And locally for the Chinese customer, we also have a very professional group of engineers providing all the technical level and also business level support. So you guys are in good hands. We never let the customer down.
Perfect. So how important do you think that Koerber as a company also provides the software side of business and not only just the hardware?
Yes. So as you know, Koerber is a group. We are a group company as part of the pharma business. So with the software here, we can deliver a different value proposition to the customer compared to the other vendors in the industry, because the machines we have can have a tightly integrated operations with the software, and it comes like a packaged software. You don't have to do any customizations. It's part of the configurations. It's a plug and produce. It's just like the USB you use. You plug it in, and you can transmit data. You can operate the machines. It's very easy to use.
So it's a perfect package with the machines.
Yes. Also, what's more important is the functionality on the software and on the software are validated. So for pharma GMP regulated industry, this is very important, is to limit the risk of the customer and also provide a compliant software.
Okay, thank you very much.
No problem.
That was fun.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Unfortunately, this is the end of our 3 days here live at the Koerber booth at the CIPM 2020. I hope you had as much fun as we did, and I'll leave you now with a little highlight from the past 3 days.